Good morning. This is my response to intervention diagram that I created for this project. It shows how students can go from Tier 1 to Tier 2 to Tier 3 based on the type of interventions that they need. As you can see in Tier 1, this is where all students are considered to be. That's about 80% of the student population, and they all learn from the core curriculum without any intervention. But this tier also allows for early intervention if students do need additional support. And from there, go to Tier 2, which serves some students who are at risk, and that's about 15% of the student population. This provides extra time and support to students and allows for rapid response and frequent progress monitoring, and it provides targeted group and individual interventions. Tier 3 is the least amount of students served. It's about 5% of the student population, and this is for the most severe students who really need intense intervention to be able to be on level where they need to be with their academics. And here they do diagnostic assessments. High intensity procedures are used for the interventions. But if a student does not respond when they get to Tier 3, then a special education referral may be needed. RTI was designed to help struggling students in the regular classroom and reduce the number of students who are referred to special education. But that does not mean that they still may not be referred, like I said, depending on their Tier 3 status. If this does not help them, then they may need to be referred for special education services. Thank you.